What if he told you there's a way to make concrete lighter than traditional mixes? Perfect for innovative projects, right in your backyard? The secret lies in foam concrete. But here's the kicker. Getting it right can be tricky. Join me as we uncover the exact recipe and expose the critical mistakes nearly everyone makes, so your project isn't just good, it's perfect. Let's face it, traditional concrete is a beast. It's sheavy, hard, conducts heat quickly. It's a killer for many home DIY projects, and it's a cow you probably can't move. Foam concrete, it's no longer exclusive to construction sites and is sweeping the DIY world. It's what you've been looking for. That smarter, friendlier, more creative building material. Today, I'm going to give you this exclusive recipe and walk you through all the potholes that will make you fail. Unlocking the secret recipe. Your DIY blueprints. It's a ridiculously simple recipe, but the devil is in the details. You only need 3 things. Cement. Just general purpose cement. It's the skeleton. Water. Ordinary water, it's blood. Foaming agent. This is its soul. Remember, it has to be a professional cement foamer, not detergent or laundry detergent, which will create huge but fragile bubbles that crumble when you stir them up and leave you with an unstrung puddle of mud in the end. The golden ratio is key. This is a great starting point. More accurate based on weight. Cement. Water. Foam 1 to 0.5, 0.8 minus 1. Yes, the foam has almost as much volume as the cement. That's the secret to its lightness. The mixing order is holy writ and can't be wrong. 1. Make the foam first. Dilute the foamer as directed. Then use a hand mixer, or especially in a large vat to whip it into a firm, dry foam like shaving foam. The foam must be able to stand on your fingers without falling over. 2. Then mix the cement paste. In another bucket, mix the cement and water thoroughly into a smooth, grain-free paste. 3. Final fusion. Now gently and slowly fold the beaten foam into the cement paste. Never mix violently, like making cake batter. We want to preserve that precious air until the mixture is well blended and turns into a tantalizing milkshake-like consistency. Common disasters. Don't step in these potholes. Well, now you have the recipe, but 99% of all failures stem from these mistakes. 1. The too much water trap. This is the #1 killer. You think it's better to work with thinner water, but what happens? The excess water evaporates, leaving behind countless tiny channels and cavities, and your finished product will be as crunchy as a cookie that crumbles when you squeeze it. Judging criteria. The mixed slurry should be able to stack up and not run everywhere like water. 2. Foaming agent fiasco. Use the wrong one like detergent, or the wrong ratio. The foam is unstable and collapses on its own before you can pour it into the mold, and you end up with no increase in volume at all, just a bad batch of cement paste. 3. Negligent maintenance. Foam concrete is more prone to water loss because it is porous. Without proper maintenance, it will not be able to fully hydrate and gain strength. Pouring is not the end. You must cover it tightly with plastic wrap and keep it moist for at least 3-7 days. Directly exposed to air, it will crack, chalk, and give you nothing to show for it. On-site rescue. How to remedy the emergency. Don't panic even if something goes wrong. There is room for redemption. Too wet? Gently stir in a little dry cement powder to absorb the excess moisture. But if the moisture has already dissociated, then, sorry, it's too chunky to be fertilizer. Start over. Foam collapsed? Quickly whip up some new stiff foam with your mixer and fold it in quickly but gently. Timing is everything. Blemishes or small cracks in the cured surface. Piece of cake. Use 1 part cement to 2 parts fine sand and a little bit of water to make a putty-like consistency. Smooth it in and sand it smooth. It's barely noticeable when it dries. See, it's not a mystery. It just takes a little patience and an eye for detail. From insulated planters to custom sculptures. Foam concrete opens the door to a new world. So don't let heavy traditions shackle your creativity. Give it airy and free your projects and your waste from the weight. If this video helped you avoid disaster or inspired you, be sure to like and share it with your fellow DIYers. Let me know in the comments section what you'd most like to make with foam concrete.